It's MC Monty in the place to be. Welcome to the adventures of MC Monty. This week's theme, Goku, Dragon Ball Z. Yeah. In this video, I'll be painting some boots to go along with my Goku cosplay. I found the perfect pair of boots at the thrift store, so I'm going to take those boots and transform them into what I need them to look like for Goku's cosplay. When I get done, my cosplay is going to look like this cool Goku art. You're going to see this hanging up in here pretty soon. I got this artwork from a cool artist at PeoriaCon last year. If you haven't done so already, remember to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video or tutorial. This helps support and grow my channel. Another way you can support is to subscribe to my Patreon page. As usual, everything you need is listed in the description below. Gather your supplies and let's get to it. I found the perfect boot at the thrift store for this cosplay. It was a black boot that looks like an UGG boot. It's in the shape of that UGG boot style. It wasn't Uggs, it was an off-brand, but it was perfect. I found it for about 15 bucks and they were my size. Black boots, and I said, great, I'll paint them and make them look perfect for this cosplay. So the first thing I did was to spray paint the boot blue. You can also paint the boot with acrylic blue paint. After I spray painted the entire boot blue and let it dry, I took a brush and I hand painted the rope on the front of the boot orange. The next thing I did was to paint the top of the boot with the white trim to give it that white trim effect at the top. So I took my paintbrush and some white acrylic paint and painted the top of the trim white. Next, I put tape on both sides of the boot, leaving the center exposed, leaving a strip exposed in the center, and then I painted that strip white. And when that was all dry, I had the white trim around the top and the white trim going down the center of the boot, that white strip in the center of Goku's boot. And after everything was dry, I hit it with 2 coats of clear finisher to seal it off to make sure the paint will stay. And that's it. All you need is a pair of old boots and some paint, and you can create these boots for your Goku cosplay. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up, give me that like, and make sure you subscribe and hit that bell to get notified anytime I post a new video or tutorial. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Remember, adventure awaits, so get out into the world and explore. Peace.